Your landing on this page shows that you are an off-road enthusiast. When it comes to off-roading, you know how critical it is to choose good tires and ensure tire pressure. There are many products available to choose from for off-road air compressors, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. After an extensive investigation, I discovered that these products benefit people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check out my description. Let's watch the video without further ado. Number 1. Astro AI Off-Road Air Compressor. The Astro AI tire inflator has greatly simplified my life as a car owner. It is a little piece of equipment that swiftly inflates tires. It is quick and accurate in its measurements. It saves time by allowing you to go from 0 to 35 psi in less than 5 minutes. It has a setting that automatically stops when the tires are full, so I never have to worry about pumping in too much air. It can inflate a variety of items, including vehicle tires, bike tires, balls, pillows, and even balloons for festivities. It is simple to use the inflator. It comes with a variety of nozzles. I need to attach the correct one, plug it into the cigarette lighter in my car, and turn it on. It's that simple. It's quite convenient and user-friendly. Overall, the Astro AI tire inflator has made a significant difference in my life. It's dependable, simple to use, and ideal for both seasoned users and newcomers like myself. Choose the Astro AI tire inflator if you need a portable air compressor that works quickly and accurately. Number 2, VIRE Off-Road Air Compressor. You have several options when it comes to choosing the quickest off-road inflator on the market. However, if you prefer a well-known brand, we recommend the VIRE 300P air compressor kit. It has been certified as the quickest air compressor in the world, taking only 78 seconds to move from 18 to 30 psi. This high-quality off-road inflator can keep tires at a maximum pressure of 150 psi. Any off-roading expert would recognize that this specific device may be quite powerful and convenient for them after reading the manufacturer's description. This machine may work well while inflating RV or SUV tires. This air compressor kit, like any other device from this manufacturer, is made with excellent components such as stainless steel valves, an anodized aluminum cylinder, and an oilless direct motor. Furthermore, the unit comes with high-quality alligator clips, making it the best portable compressor on the market. It barely weighs 8.7 pounds. We all know how annoying noise can be, and of course, this device may save you from being harassed or irritated. It is designed with anti-vibration aluminum sand tray isolators to ensure that it is silent while performing its functions. Number 3, GSPSCN Off-Road Air Compressor. If you need a heavy-duty air compressor for your tire, the GSPSCN portable air compressor is a good option. You may finish your work in as little as 1.5 minutes with this high-quality air compressor. Furthermore, because tire leakage is so widespread, this high-quality company recognizes the problem and includes appropriate tire repair equipment in this toolbox. This compressor's power is provided by a 12V portable compressor with over 150 psi. Aside from the technical specs, this tire pump is equipped with an integrated digital gauge for monitoring and checking tire pressure. The equipment also includes 3 nozzle adapters for quickly pumping air into many other materials. A large, bright LCD backlight display can be quite useful in determining the proper pressure. It features 4 separate display units, psi, bar, kPa, and kg/cm2. The air pressure range from 0 to 150 psi is easily measured. It works wonderfully on a variety of vehicles, including trucks, RVs, SUVs, crossovers, trailers, campers, and others. Number 4, Gobesh Off-Road Air Compressor. Do you need a high-performance portable air compressor? If so, the Gobesh high-quality air compressor is built with 12 volts and pure copper. It has a 540 West direct drive motor with good ventilation. You may anticipate maximum performance with an airflow of 6.35 CPM. It has a continuous working time of 40 minutes at 40 psi. It can be an excellent solution for speedy tire inflation, particularly during heavy-duty tasks. It is a portable air compressor made of heavy-duty metal with a high-performance cylinder. It does have a maximum pressure of 150 psi, which means it can fully inflate a 35-inch tire to 38 psi in only 5 minutes or less. This portable air compressor is ideal for heavy-duty off-road vehicles, trucks, ATVs, RVs, and other applications. It also features effective overheat protection, which prevents the engine from being damaged. To prevent noise and vibration, the large foot tray has anti-vibration rubber feed. To give you confidence in your purchase, the manufacturer provides a 1-year warranty. Number 5, Alltop Off-Road Air Compressor. When looking for the greatest off-road air compressor today, you will almost certainly be presented with an infinite number of options. Fortunately, the manufacturer Alltop provides one of the greatest compressor kits we've found. It has a maximum pressure of 150 psi and delivers quick results. With a weight of 16 pounds and an airflow of 6.36 feet 3 per minute, this product is easy to transport. It was cleverly built with an aluminum cylinder and hollow metal casing for optimal heat dissipation. Keeping safety in mind, the auto thermal switch protects the motor in this compressor kit from harm. It has been carefully designed with a sandproof power switch and 4 rubber feet to provide vibration resistance. It also ensures that the machine's stability is maintained. This high-quality air compressor system is ideal for a variety of off-road vehicles, motorbikes, bicycles, trucks, RVs, ATVs, and other recreational vehicles. It has all of the effective components required for the work. The addition of 3 nozzle adapters and a 7-foot power cable allows it to be used anywhere. Furthermore, a storage bag made of heavy-duty nylon allows you to transport this air compressor wherever you go. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.